Alright guys, I'm going to show you this automatic vacuum wine saver. It's on Amazon. I'm going to give you direct links in the show notes. So make sure you click that so you get the exact one. So we have a bottle of wine here we opened. Open it with this nice nifty wine opener. That's a different video. Make sure you click on that to check that out. Once the wine is open now, we're going to use this saver thing and see how this works. So first we'll take out the box.
ReviewOutlaw.com. New videos every Thursday at 3 p.m. Subscribe today.
So everything's nice and contained, which is cool. This cover comes off. So we will need to put some batteries in here. Batteries go right here in the bottom. And they take 2 AAAs. You're gonna put this in, one with the plus side up, and with the minus side down. Then you're gonna put this in on top here. And then it twists here. So the way this works is you just actually just put it down and it's gonna vacuum it out. See the lights coming on, it's vacuuming out the air. And once the vacuum is complete, it goes green. Now you are good. So it's sealed, airtight sealed. Now let's pull it off just to see how that suction works. There you go, so easy to pull off. And again, to re-suction it. It just kind of sounds like a little vacuum, which is kind of cool. And that way your wine won't be stale. Just sucking it's kind of suction in there. It'll keep the flavor much better. Awesome, I really like this. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave in the comments. Thanks.
Hey, I really appreciate you watching this video. If you have time, please give me a thumbs up, share the video on Facebook or social media, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get a notification when new videos come out. Finally, if you leave me a comment, I love those. Really appreciate it. Have a great day, guys.